together another scenario that makes sense. Your deal's a go. The club and the cartel signed off.
Good. Glad it all worked out.
Next meal's in a week. We start then.
Look inside. Close the door. These attacks. Friends, family, now cops. All that blowback lands in your lap. Somebody's trying to compromise you.
So trust no one.
Loyalty has contingencies. You know what happens if I take a bullet?
Yeah. Your hit squad settles the score.
Independent security contractors. First one who kills my killer gets $5 million. Fear protects me. Greed ensures